Hello my angels, my dears, this is Angel and welcome to my channel to another video. For the last video of the month of May, which is my seafood themed dishes month, I have for you today a spicy herb crispy butterfly shrimp. This recipe was so easy to make and it was fun as well. It's simple, you'll be able to make it yourself, so I hope you enjoy the video. I'll let you get to it and I'll talk to you later. Doesn't that dipping sauce look absolutely delicious? It's a remoulade sauce I made for the second Technique Tuesday for this month. I'll leave a link to this video in my description box. I like my food well seasoned, so this may seem a little bit salty for some people. What I would suggest for you to do for anything that has salt in it, like the adobo, the Himalayan pink salt, just use half of it to begin with, taste everything, and then use more according to your taste. All right, back to the video. Check us out on Instagram once a week to get a sneak peek of what the next video will be for this channel. That's at Angel Culinary Kitchen. I'll be using the 3-step breading process, which gives the butterfly shrimp a nice crispy coating. Here I'm adding a second egg because I thought it wasn't enough egg for the amount of shrimp I had, but I wind up not needing it. Play it by sight. Back to the video. There are a few YouTube channels I highly recommend. Go to my description box, go to the end, and there you will find them. Once you check them out, let them know I sent you. I know you will enjoy them. Simply beautiful. Look how wonderfully these came out. These pieces of shrimp came out nice and crispy. That's the panko coating. It had a little bit of heat. That's from the paprika. And a little taste of the herb. That's from the parsley. If you'd like to make this yourself, why don't you give it a try and try using different herbs. For the heat, try something a little different, like red pepper flakes. For the herb, add a little bit of different herbs in there. Well, you can try it anything you want. And make sure you let me know how it came out if you do. Thank you so much for staying to the very end. If you like this video, give me a like. That's a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hey, what are you waiting for? Make sure you share this video with someone you know who would like it. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of it. All right, I'll let you go. But as always, make sure you be the blessing to someone today. And as I part, I say many blessings and much favor until we meet again. I'll see you next time.